Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. This is your new syllabus primary mathematics books. Kindly open the page number 14. In this page, the question number 1 is compare the number. The two numbers are given, that is 6,000, 0, 10, hundreds and 48. 6,048. And the second one is 6,804. We are comparing these two numbers, okay, which one is greater and which one is a smaller. So first we are starting the comparison with the thousand digits. In first, the thousand digit is 6 and here the thousand digit also 6, both have the same. So now we are comparing the 100 numbers. In first one, the value of the 100 digit is 0 and here the value of the 100 digit is 8. So 800 is greater than 0. So the number 6,804 is greater than 6,048. So you will write here which value is greater than this. So first you will write 6,804 is greater than 6,048. The downward you will write the smaller number first, that is 6,048, and the greater number you will write down on the second one, 6,804. In B part, there are three numbers. First one 3,910, the second one 3,901, and the third one 3,091. So first, all of you, please look carefully. First we are comparing the greatest number, the greatest value, that is 1,000. So in B part, first one is having the 3,000 here, in second 3,000 and in third 3,000. So 1,000 values are same. So now we are comparing the number of the 100 place. In first one there is a 900 and in second one also 900. In third one there is a 000. So this value is the smallest number and these two have the same 100 number. So we are finding the comparison in first two values, okay, which one is greatest, because it is clear this one is the smallest and from these two we are finding which one is greater. So here we are comparing the number in the tens place. In first one 110 and in second there is a 0 tens. So 110 is greater than 0 tens. So 3,901 is the greatest number and 3,091 is the smallest and this first one is the greatest number. I hope you will understand this one. So now see on the question number 2. The question is Mount Everest and K2 are the two tallest mountains in the world. So which is taller, Mount Everest or K2? So the value of the Mount Everest is given 8,848 and the K2 height is 8,611. In this question, the 1,000 values are same, 8,000 and 8,000. Now we are comparing the 100 numbers. In this, the 100 value is 800 and here 600. So 800 is greater than 600. So it is clear from this one, Mount Everest is the tallest than K2. So now please kindly open your new syllabus primary mathematics books workbook 3A. Open the page number 2. Here the questions are given, question number 2, 3. In this page, the first one, question number 2, it is given, find, arrange the numbers in order. There are, start with the smallest number. There are three numbers, 135, 553, 535. So you are finding which one is the smallest number. So we should compare first 100 numbers. So 100, there is a 500 and there is also 500. The smallest one is a 100. So 135 will come first and then the remaining two having the same 100 values. So we are comparing the tens number. So in this question, the tens number is 5 tens and here 3 tens. So 5 tens is greater than 3 tens. So this one is the second greatest number and this one is the smallest number. So we are starting here the smallest number. So first it will come 135. This one is the smallest, and then 535 is the second smallest number, and 553 is the largest than 135 and 535. So follow the same pattern, you can find the B part by yourself. In example number 3, fill in the blanks. Which is the smaller, 9889 or 8998? So find. There is a 9000 in this question, 8000. So 8000 is the smaller than this one. And in the B part you will finding the greatest number. So you should compare the first 1000 number. If 1000 numbers are same, then you will compare the 100 numbers. But in this question the 100 number is also same. So now you have the option to compare the tens number. Here 5 tens is greater than 4 tens. So this value is greater than this. So I hope you will understand this one. Now please see on the next page, that is page number 11. In this question, in question number 4, the question is fill in the blanks. In this question also you are finding which number is the greatest and which is the smallest. So I hope you will solve it by yourself, everyone, and B part also. In question number 5, circle the greatest number in each set. And in question number 6, circle the smallest number in each set. So kindly solve it by yourself, everyone, and I hope you will understand. Thank you.